Imagine two people. They graduate from the same college, get similar jobs, earn almost the same salary. Fast forward 20 years. One is financially free. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What happened? Did one simply work harder? Was one just luckier? Not necessarily. The biggest difference wasn't their income. It was how they thought about money. Because before wealth changes your bank account, it changes your mindset. Today, we're exploring the hidden psychological differences between the rich and the poor. Not to judge anyone, but to understand the thinking patterns that quietly shape financial success. Let's begin. Everyone has 24 hours. The difference is how those hours are used. Most people trade time directly for money. Work more. Earn more. Stop working. And the income stops too. Wealthy people think differently. Instead of asking, "How can I earn more today?" they ask, "How can I build something that keeps earning tomorrow?" Businesses, investments, digital products, royalties, assets that continue producing income long after their work is finished. Money is important, but time is priceless. The wealthy understand that every asset they build buys back a little more freedom. When most people receive extra money, their first thought is, "What should I buy? A newer phone? A nicer car? A bigger television?" The wealthy ask a different question. "What can I own?" Ownership changes everything. Instead of buying products, they buy businesses. Instead of purchasing status, they purchase assets. Consumers spend money. Owners make money. The goal isn't to own expensive things. The goal is to own things that produce income. The human brain loves instant rewards. Shopping, entertainment, luxury, convenience. But wealth requires something different. Delayed gratification. Every dollar not spent today can become many dollars tomorrow. The wealthy don't avoid enjoying life. The average person spends hours scrolling social media. Successful people spend those hours learning. Books, courses, podcasts, mentors, financial education. Skills increase income. Knowledge improves decisions. Every new skill becomes an investment that pays dividends for decades. Markets crash. Jobs change. Technology evolves. But valuable knowledge stays with you forever. Most people think about this weekend, this month's paycheck, next year's vacation. The wealthy think differently. They think about where today's decisions will place them 10 years from now. Every investment, every habit, every skill, every relationship. They understand that small daily choices become extraordinary results through time. Success rarely happens overnight. It compounds quietly. Most people see problems. Successful people see opportunities. Economic downturn. They look for investments. New technology. They learn it. Market changes. They adapt. Every challenge hides opportunity. The wealthy don't avoid uncertainty. They learn how to benefit from it. Their mindset turns obstacles into advantages. Being rich doesn't begin with money. It begins with decisions. Small decisions. Repeated consistently. Choose ownership over consumption. Learning over comfort. Investing over spending. Long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Because wealth is rarely created by one big breakthrough. It's built through thousands of small choices, made every single day. And here's the most encouraging part. Your income today doesn't determine your future. Your mindset does. The moment you start thinking differently, you begin building a different life. Because the journey to financial freedom always starts in the mind.